Hey, my name is Heather and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be doing this pink glitter cut crease makeup look.
Let's begin. Skincare is so important, so I'm moisturizing with Lotus Youth Preserve before applying Bye Bye Under Eye. I'm using ABH Brow Definer to accentuate my brows. Then I'm applying Benefit Stay Don't Stray Eyeshadow Primer to help lock in the shadows. I use my ring finger to gently press on the primer so there are no fine lines. I apply Coastal Scents Light Apricot below my brow bone. Then Chamois Nude all over my lid. Next, I apply Flan onto my lid, then into my crease and blend out. After that, I use Eros Pink and blend it into my crease. Now I'm going to switch to my tapered blender brush to blend the color out. With Vibrant Red, I'm using a smaller brush to get into my crease to blend the color in before I blend the color out. I'm using my NARS concealer with my flat brush starting from the inner corners of my eyes following the outline of my lid to 3/4 of my lid. Next, I apply Titania to 3/4 of my lid. Then Desert Sunset to 3/4 of my lid too. I apply Crayon Apple from the Jaclyn Hill Palette to my crease. Then I apply Eros Pink to my inner and middle crease of my eye. With Flan, I apply to the inner crease of my eye, then blending the colors in, then blending out. Next, I'm using NYX Glitter Primer to apply Joy starting from the inner to middle crease, like so. It Cosmetics glitter is so gorgeous. Next, I'm using my favorite eyeliner, Stila. I'm going back in with Flan to the inner part of my lid. Then Eros Pink to the middle part of my lid. Then I'm using Pinkies Up to brighten up the inner corners of my eyes. Next, I'm using Perversion Mascara to prep before putting on my iconic light lashes. After I apply my lashes, I like to touch up by reapplying my mascara, curling my lashes, and touching on my eyeliner. I'm using Coastal Scents White Eyeliner for my waterline. This helps to brighten up my eyes. Next, I'm using Red Ochre and Venetian Red for the outer part of my under eyes. Then with Eros Pink for the middle part of my under eye. And Flan for the inner part of my under eye. I then reapply Pinkies Up for the inner corners of my eyes for a more brightened effect. Next, I'm using Benefit Professional for my face. Then I'm using NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation and blending it in with my Beauty Blender. I use NARS concealer for my under eyes. I then go in with my Beauty Blender to blend it in. Then I'm using Tarte Smooth Operator powder to bake my face. Next, I'm using the Balm Cosmetics to contour my cheeks, forehead, and jawline. Don't forget to wipe off the powder. And blend. Let's not forget the nose. Then blend out the contour to create a naturally snatched nose. Let's bring back Eros Pink for my blush. I'm going back in with Tarte powder to bake under my contour. Next, with the Luminizer to highlight my cheekbones and nose. And I double down with this honey-scented powder for even more of a glow. Going back to my Perversion Mascara to apply it to my lower lashes. Then I apply ABH Clear Brow Gel to my brows. Don't forget to wipe off the powder. Next for my lips, I apply Buxom Power Plump Lip Balm. Now I'm using the Glitter Lip Kit in Baby. First, the lip liner. Following the NARS Satin Lipstick into lid. I then go back to using the Glitter Lip Kit's Gloss Bond and Glitter. I apply the gloss and glitter in 4 sections. First, I start with half of my upper lip, then half of my lower lip. See the difference? Then repeat on the other side. Since I'm using an older pair of iconic light lashes, I decided to add extra lashes to the outer corners of my eyes to give a cat eye effect. Don't forget setting spray! I decided to use my gingerbread peach rose uni wig for this look. Styling my hair with Kitsch rhinestone chain bobby pins in gold. And here it is!
Thank you for watching my pink glitter cut crease look. Again, my name is Heather, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye!